Hello my acquaintances, today I'm showing you how to make the Bath & Body Works famous sold out bat clip thing for your car. It's also removable if you see this little secret hole here, so you can just use this as a normal car clip, or for other seasons you can put a different one on there. So it's a little bit thing, and then you just open it there and you put the smell in, and then you can still close it, and it looks pretty close to the original, so it's pretty epic and swag, and it's kind of sparkly if you can see it. Not really. So, yeah. We're doing a bit of a DIY Hallomeme edition. Something I like. I just buy the original version to support what I like. But this is sold out everywhere. It's also a big, huge corporation, so it's not like, you know. Like if I did make this myself because it was sold out, I wouldn't like show you how to make it because we should support the original artist. But this is a little bit of a $7 Bath & Body Works car vent clip that has a little bath on it, and it's really cool and epic, and it's sold out, and I tried to order it online and they canceled my order. So, starting with this one that I found at the store, it was the most neutral one I could find at the time. Most stores have plain black ones. This was literally the plainest one they had. So we're working with it around it. I'm using this black velvet that I had left over from Gusher Gremlin. This purple fabric, because I have a purple velvet, but it's not really the right color. But I have other purple fabric, or if I'm just going to use foam and then paint it. So let's get going. Now what you're first we're gonna want to do here is put this on the wrong side of the fabric. Get a marking thing. We're just gonna make a circle around it. Alright, so you see here, the next thing you want to do is for the one that's going to be the front, is you want to cut a hole in the middle so that the smell will come out. So I'm just going to kind of fold this like so. Just like so. And then you take these two, put the right sides together, and sew around them, leaving a little hole in the bottom so that this can slide over top of this. got your shapes, cut out. Next, you gotta paint them purple. So I'm using this purple. I'm gonna put in this glitter. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna get out my hot glue gun, you see. It's been heating up a while. And I'm gonna stick on the things. And I don't really have, like, eyes to put on these. So I was thinking of putting on some rhinestones, but I also don't have any rhinestones because I don't have them here. So I'm gonna take a look at some buttons. Alright, after searching all 3 jars of buttons that I have found 2 eye-shaped buttons. They're not even the same size, I now realize, but that's just gonna have to be okay. They've got these, they're like, yeah, there you go. Eye flavor. So, okay. To look like eyes. There you go. It's got little eyes on it. There he is. He looks a little bit goofier than the official one, but not by much. That one looks pretty goofy too. So, here he is. Quite cheap. I actually had all this stuff at home already, but well, I didn't have this. I had to buy the base. But like, if you already have a base that you use, you can just, cut this and put it over. And I purposely left a hole here so I can just take this off. Very cool. Now you can put your favorite flavor in it, and your car can be like candles in there without the actual horrible risk of explosion and fire. So there it is. You know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.